Ever pondered about the trajectory of the cryptocurrency realm and what the future might hold? Have you found yourself speculating how the shifts in tech and finance might revolutionize our world? Well, today's your opportunity to get a glimpse into the possible future as we dissect the projections for 2023 in the crypto sphere. Hey champions! Maxwell here again. For all the newbies on the channel, hit that subscribe button now. You won't want to miss the insights we're about to unpack. To all my seasoned subscribers, glad to have you back on this forward-looking journey. Our spotlight today? Crypto Predictions 2023, a look into the future of finance. As the world continues to lean into digital solutions, grasping the potential shifts in the crypto landscape isn't just insightful, it's paramount. Picture this as your crystal ball, giving you a glimpse into what might unfold in the near future. To set the stage, cryptocurrencies have already marked their footprint on the world's financial ecosystem. From being perceived as just a fleeting tech fad to evolving into genuine assets and technological marvels, their ascent has been nothing short of meteoric. Now, it's 2023. Where are we headed? First off, the integration of cryptocurrencies into mainstream finance could be more profound than ever. We might see more established financial institutions not only accepting but actively promoting crypto transactions. Interoperability between blockchains might just become the norm. Seamless cross-chain transactions could revolutionize how we perceive boundaries in the world of cryptocurrencies. This would mean assets flowing effortlessly between different blockchains, bringing forth a more cohesive and unified ecosystem. The emergence of decentralized finance, DeFi, signifies a pivotal moment in the evolution of the financial ecosystem. It's not just a fleeting trend but a radical reimagining of financial systems and intermediaries. When you break down the components of DeFi, its revolutionary implications become apparent. Accessibility and inclusion. One of DeFi's most potent offerings is its universality. Traditional banking systems, with their stringent requirements, have often marginalized a vast section of the global population. DeFi platforms, being decentralized, offer services without discriminating based on geography, socioeconomic status, or credit history. In regions where banking infrastructure is weak or non-existent, DeFi can provide individuals with an unprecedented gateway to financial tools and services. Reduced costs. Traditional finance is riddled with intermediaries, from brokers to banks, each taking their cut. DeFi operates on smart contracts, eliminating the need for middlemen and consequently, slashing transaction costs. This not only results in more efficient transactions but also ensures that users get a bigger piece of the pie. Enhanced security and control. Centralized systems are vulnerable to breaches, hacks, and internal fraud. DeFi, on the other hand, leverages blockchain's inherent security protocols. Users maintain control over their funds, given that they are not entrusted to a centralized entity. With private keys and cryptographic security, individuals have greater autonomy and peace of mind. Programmable finance. One of the standout features of DeFi is the adaptability of its services. Financial products can be tailored and programmed to cater to the specific needs of individuals or communities. Whether it's setting up automated loans, interest payments, or complex trading strategies, DeFi platforms allow for a high degree of customization. Transparency and interoperability. All transactions on DeFi platforms are recorded on a public ledger, offering unparalleled transparency. Furthermore, the open-source nature of most DeFi projects promotes integration and interoperability between platforms, creating a more cohesive and user-friendly ecosystem. Democratizing financial innovations. In the world of DeFi, anyone can develop a new financial product or service. This contrasts with the traditional system where innovations are typically restricted to major players with substantial resources. As a result, DeFi can be a hotbed for financial creativity and solutions tailored for niche communities or needs. From finance to digital assets. As the DeFi landscape flourishes, fostering a more inclusive and innovative financial ecosystem, another groundbreaking domain emerges parallelly. The universe of digital assets, spearheaded by NFTs. It's not just about minting art or collectibles anymore. The decentralized ethos, which empowers individual creators and developers in DeFi, is also fueling a broader digital renaissance, unlocking unprecedented potential in the realms of asset ownership, provenance, and transfer. With barriers to entry significantly reduced, the synergy between DeFi and NFTs exemplifies the true power of decentralized platforms in reshaping traditional paradigms. NFTs or non-fungible tokens have already taken the art and collectibles world by storm. By 2023, we could be looking at NFTs transforming other sectors like real estate, gaming, and even intellectual property rights. However, With innovation comes challenges. Regulations surrounding cryptocurrencies could tighten, aiming to bring more security to users but potentially stifling innovation. The crypto community, developers, and enthusiasts alike would have to stay adaptive, ensuring they remain compliant while driving forward the crypto vision. Adopting a future-minded perspective isn't about precise predictions, it's about preparing for potential outcomes. Those well-informed and adaptable might find themselves not just surviving but thriving in the dynamic realm of crypto. By the time 2023 rolls around, the pioneers of today could be the giants of tomorrow. Understanding the possible trajectories can position you to harness the waves of change rather than be swept away by them. Champions, if you're finding these insights enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button. Your engagement shapes the discussions here. Share your own predictions and thoughts down in the comments, and let's craft the future narrative together. Over the next few episodes. Blockchain beyond crypto. Delve into how blockchain could transform sectors beyond finance. Rise of the crypto nations. A look into countries adopting crypto as mainstream and the implications. Securing the future. As crypto grows, so do potential threats. Let's explore the evolving landscape of crypto security. Altcoins to watch. With Bitcoin and Ethereum already household names, which altcoins might be the next big thing in 2023? Buckle up, champions. The future of finance is not just a tale to be told but a journey to be experienced. The horizon is vast, but together, we can navigate its expanse. But remember, while I aim to provide insights, the world of crypto remains unpredictable. Stay informed, be prepared, and always align your actions with your personal financial strategy. Quoting the timeless words of Wayne Gretzky, skate to where the puck is going, not where it has been. In the fast-paced world of crypto, staying a step ahead makes all the difference. Until next time, champions, stay ahead, stay informed, and let's conquer the crypto future together. Hit that bell icon, give a thumbs up, and see you soon on our next Crypto Odyssey.